Cool?
Sure.
Sure?
Yep.
Cool?
Cool.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, we're doing an editorial today, so I just thought we'd show you a little bit of how we go about doing it. And Beck's feeling shy today. She doesn't want to be in front of the camera.
No, my skin broke out.
Her skin broke out. Anyway, so we've pulled up. We wanted to do like a little bit of a fashion cross Helmut nudie type of feel with Steph. And she's got this really tight hugging dress, but we want to try and get it into what I'd say is yin and yang. So a position you wouldn't expect to see this dress in. Now, my initial thing was I knew there was some construction happening in Ringwood and would come up here and I saw the crane sitting up there and I decided we'll jump over this side of the railway tracks and shoot this. So the very first thing I looked at was the light on Steph's face is really, really nice. But my thing that's putting me off is all the gum trees, even though it's very Australian, it's not giving me the feel I want. I wanted a little bit more building site. So I reckon if we jump over the other side of the tracks, we can shoot into the building site. So it's much more construction and less domestic. Is that the right word?
Yeah, that
Yeah?
sounds about right. Yeah, that sums it up.
So this is how I start off my shoot, is first scout out the location, make sure the light's going to work from the direction we're going to work, and even before I lift out a camera, I want to see that the background is going to give me the feel that we want. So we're going to head over to the other side. So now what I'm looking at is number one, light on Steph's face, and here's not too bad, and I've actually protected the dress from overexposing, which is quite cool, so I can have quite a dramatic shot. While the clouds over the top, I don't have a problem, but when the sun comes out, the white dress is always going to go off first. So I want to try and protect that. And I like this, but I'm going to head up this alleyway and see if it's better up the top. I think I like this better. Yeah, number one, we've got the sun coming more from behind Steph, which means I'm going to put a highlight in her hair. I am going to have a little bit of trouble with it cooking, but I'm just going to see how I go. So first thing I'm thinking is what lens to put on, so how much of the background I actually want. So I'm actually thinking I most likely want to go about my 100 I might start with. I'm going to shoot with my Hasselblad, and because we're thinking about taking this quite big, I'm going to use 100 megapixel, and I want to get that full medium format fallout. I think I looked up online that 100 mil on the 100 megapixel is about equivalent to about a 65 on a DSLR. Just guesstimate my ISO. Right, so I'll do 100 ISO, 200th of a second. I'm just going to meter on Steph's skin. It's a bit bright. Right, I'm going to just start off at f8 on a 200th of a second. I'm just seeing how much I'm getting in that looking cool. I am going to use my monopod only because I want to have a little bit of consistency with my crop. I don't want to be worrying about my crop too much, which means once I've set up my shot, I've got pretty much the same crop for every picture. Cool. Nice. I'll just take my test frame. That's looking pretty spot on. So my guess to start with was about right. We're just clipping just on her dress and on the white clouds in the background. Yeah, let's just see. The sun's just got brighter. I just want to see how much more clip's going to happen. Cool. That's good. Awesome. I like that. Cool. I just want to see the difference that happens with that sun coming out. Yeah, that's about the maximum I can clip. So nothing on Stefania's clipping. The dress is and her hair is. So while the sun's out, I might actually just be a little bit safer on this and come down to, say, 250th of a second. Cool. This is one where I love using my, that's better, that's only just clipping on part of the dress a touch. With my mirrorless, I can see my clipping in the viewfinder, and that helps me, especially when the sun's going in and out. That's cool. That's really cool. Cool. Don't freeze. Just drift it. Cool. Yeah, I want to try. Cool. So one of the things that Steph and I don't shoot much emotive stuff, and Steph does a lot of fashion. Would that be right? The bulk of the stuff you do is more fashion orientated? Yeah. So she is now into this way of modeling, which is click, move, click, move, click, move. She's not freestyle, she's not just drifting and being herself. What she would normally be if, in fact, all I need to do is say video. Think this is a video, not a still, right? And that way, because I know the sort of feel, I'm trying to get a little bit Helmut Newton high-end fashion. So, cool. It's really cool. Keep drifting. I want better face. Bod looks amazing. I want. Nah. No, just this. I'd have to refocus. It'd be really hard. No, I don't mind the full pose shot, but I want a little bit more strong. I want a bit more femme fatale, a little bit more fuck you fashion. That's even really cool with the strap half hanging off. Don't let it fall anymore though. Can you try a hand on that? That's it, cool. Bring in the eyes, cool. That's really cool. The dress on the ground in front of your feet. That's better. Cool. They're stunning. Stunning. I'm liking this a lot. This is really cool, Steph. Cool.
I'm imagining someone I hate right now.
So what, you thinking about me?
It's not hard.
It's not hard.
In front of me.
I'm just going to move a fraction. That's cool. That's really cool. I like that lots. Cool. That's stunning. So I've shot one style now. I'm actually now going to, oh, it's looking really cool. I'm now just going to go to my more landscape, or my days of shooting more landscape or shooting architectural type or streetscape. And with that, I want my nothing to be pure white. I'm after I don't care if my blacks block up and go pitch black, but I don't want any alerts going off on Steph or, cool, that's really cool. So all I'm doing is looking at my alerts on the back of the camera. That's looking cool. So I've got nothing at all.
I unfortunately can't show because the sun's a bit too glary.
I'll show these a bit later. So all I want is nothing to be clipping at all, and I'm not caring how my blacks go, which is going to push them quite dark with the blonde hair and the sun into that. Cool. That's cool. That's really cool. I don't know what you were doing. Can you take maybe 2 steps backwards or 3 steps backwards? That's better. Cool. Perfect. That's cool. Come up a little bit, your boobs hanging. But I love that lean over, was lovely. I just don't want the boob to fall out. So can you lean over without it falling out? There, just there, beautiful. Beautiful, stunning. Hands I'm really fussy. Yeah, cool, beautiful. The one thing I'm really careful with hands is if we just see backs of hands, it makes the hand quite fat. Right, so I always want to turn the hand slightly side on, and I want like spirit fingers. So little, delicate little fingers. Yeah, cool, 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 cool. Beautiful. That's stunning, stunning, stunning. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's right. I like that. I like that a lot. Now eyes in. Right into me. You've just noticed. You've leant over to do up your shoelaces, which would be impossible, and you've noticed that some guy's watching out the car window at you. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, cool. Cool, that's cool. I like that. Not without the lips, just the attitude of fashion. Think, cool, 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 cool. Yeah, think edgy fashion. Nice, 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 nice. I'm going to push him over the top type posing. Can you think of Helmut Newton, that sort of like angry, yeah, that aggressive, yeah, really aggressive, but I like that. I also like something on the waist where you nearly cinch your waist in with your own hands. Cool, that's it. I really liked what you just, yeah, that's, I love it falling down. That's really cool. Cool, bring it in. That's really nice. I like that. That's really cool. That's really cool. Cool, cool. Full on scream face, like, that's better. That's cool. Cool, I like. Nice, nice. I like a little bit with the face turned a little bit off to the angle, like Vogue, chin up. And then, that's it, cool. Yeah, that's it, that's perfect, perfect. Cool, cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. Nice, 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 nice. I'm just hoping I haven't lost, the sun's gone right in, so I'm hoping it's pretty dark. Let's just do a few, and just pull it back up. Cool. All I've done is come from 400th of a second to the sky is just clipping, so go back to 250. F9, that's it. I like that, Steph. I like that a lot. It's cool, 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 cool. Cool, cool. I'm just going to change my angle.
Do you want me to change mine too?
No, I just want to change my angle a little bit. Can you come down this way a touch? Cool, cool. That's nice, I like that attitude. That's really cool. Watch the other boob. That's cool. That look off that way was really, there, cool, cool, cool. Like it, yeah, that lean back is just stunning. There, stunning, stunning, stunning. Keep going, keep going. I'm liking this a lot. Cool, cool, cool. Watch your boob. Cool, 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 cool. Awesome. Nice, nice, nice. That's cool. I like that. That's really cool. Cool, 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 cool. Nice, nice. Cool. That's really awesome, awesome, awesome. Cool, cool. Cool, that's really cool. So sorry everyone on YouTube, you'll have to go to Steph's Patreon to see the last 5 minutes of what we just shot because we can't put it on YouTube. So pretty much that's how quick, that's to me a wrap. I think we nailed that.
Woo!
Well, you enjoyed that?
That was good.
I don't know how good your eyes are at looking reflective surfaces.
Oh my god, I love it. Ah!
You enjoy that?
I did. That was amazing. They look so good. They look so good.
So that's just, yeah, that's how quick in and out got it.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Cool.
Dream team.
Dream team.
Yep.
Awesome. All right, let's head back to the studio.
Thank you.
Cut.
Yep.